Hey YouTube, how is it going? I hope you all are doing well. I am Vaman back with another video. And today, we are discussing about a recently introduced cybersecurity certification in the market which has raised the bar in the certification market. And it is a game changer in the cybersecurity domain itself. It is none other than Practical Network Penetration Tester, abbreviated as PNPT, introduced by the cybersecurity veteran himself, the cyber mentor, aka Heath Adams. There are already various certifications in the market. To name a few, like CEH, OSCP, EJPT, etc. But we are not comparing this certification to any other because this one is unique in its own ways. This will be our agenda for today's video. I have made some points over which we can see what all this certification has to offer, who can opt for it, what is the job market for the same, and what not. But before starting the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel to receive such videos in your YouTube feed. Come on, hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. Okay, I hope you have pressed that subscribe button. So now, let's begin. PNPT certification exam is an ethical hacking certification that evaluates a student's ability to perform internal and external network pen test at a professional level. If we talk about the syllabus for the same, it comprises of practical ethical hacking, Windows privilege escalation, Linux privilege escalation, OSINT fundamentals, and external pen test playbook. On screen, you can see what all each of these courses will teach you in one-liner. Please visit academy.tcm-sec.com to know in detail what each of them has in it to offer. Now, TCM security team has also published this path which one can follow in order to obtain the PNPT certification. Let's look into some of the unique selling points of PNPT certification. First one being exam duration. You get 7 days split up in 5 days for a network pen test and 2 days for report writing. Also, if we talk about how close the certification is to reality, I would say it is actual real environment based. It is not a CTF based certification. At the end of it, you have to give a live debrief with TCM team for the report that you have made. If we talk about this certification is proctored or not, the answer is no, it is not proctored. Coming to the cost, this certification comes in two packages, $299 USD and $399 USD. Let me switch to a better view where you will understand it more clearly. Now at the left hand side we have one with the $299 and at the right hand side we have one with the $399 USD. The $399 one has access to all the 5 courses that we have talked about previously. If we talk about the retakes, you get one free retake with either of the package. Coming to another interesting aspect of this certification is validity. Vouchers purchased before 1st September 2022 does not expire, whereas vouchers purchased after 1st September 2022 will require 40 certification education credits every 3 years. On screen, there are the approved CEC categories in order to maintain the validity of the certification. These include CTF from TryHackMe, Hack the Box, Pentester Labs. Also, CEC can be earned by community engagements, published content, and continued learning. I'll drop this link in the description so that you can go through it later. I think this will not only help you in staying certified, but you'll also be taking advantage of the free learning opportunities that help you stay ahead of the curve. Coming on to another aspect is usage of tools. Tools usage is allowed while performing network pen test. There are no limitations to it. If we talk about training expiry, you will have lifetime access of the material, and same is applicable on the exam voucher expiry. Another wonderful aspect which is too good to ignore is the exam support provided by the TCM team. They provide 24/7 toxic free support and make sure they answer all your queries and solve all the problems that you are facing. Coming on to the most important aspect of a certification is its job market. Well, I believe for this aspect we need to head on to a job search engine and check the on-ground results for the PNPT certification. So let's head on to our LinkedIn. Now I'll try to search PNPT as a keyword in the job description, and I'll start with United States. I see 19 job results listed in here. Let's check if it has PNPT listed. Yes, here it is. Let's check a couple of more. Okay, yes. Desired certification include one or more of the following. Highly preferred but not required. PNPT, OSCP and whatnot. Okay, now let's switch to India location. Only 2 job results are there. They have this PNPT. Let's check the other one. Yes. I believe since it is a new certification, it is taking time to reach the hiring managers, and hence it is having less hits as compared to any other certifications which have spent quite good time in the market. Now, hopping on to the conclusion, PNPT is one of a kind certification which is recently introduced. You'll get to face real world hands-on scenarios while performing network pen test, which will further help you in answering questions in any interview or will build up your pen test skills. Syllabus with the certification is quite in-depth with almost zero fillers in it. It provides immense value to the one who is taking the exam. Since it is a new certification, it is taking time to penetrate the job market. I strongly believe if anyone appears for an interview, they would be definitely interested to know candidates' knowledge over a specific topic rather than just the certificate. If you are a beginner or an intermediate, you should definitely plan to get this certification and add it to your arsenal. I also loved how TCM Security has provided CEC credits in order to maintain the validity. I'll drop the website's link in the description section for you in case you would want to explore more about the certification. Share this video with someone who is starting out his or her cybersecurity journey. Also make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Your support means a lot and helps me to create more such videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.